Okay, so we have understood what are variables, data types, and we have understood the working as well. Now, I'll talk about the next concept which we are supposed to talk about. Okay, the next concept which we are going to talk about is a very, very, very important. Okay, but underrated topic, that is operators. Okay, I'm going to talk about operators, and the first set of operators which we will talk about is arithmetic operators. What is the first set of operators? It is arithmetic operators. I'll tell you one important part, guys. As soon as I tell operators, you'll be like, oh, I know this topic. Even if you're from CS background or non-IT background, it doesn't matter. Operators are like we're learning it from our childhood, right? From a babysitting kindergarten, we are trying to learn it. Okay, but this is wherein a lot of people will go wrong. Sir, I know this operators are very easy. Okay, but that confidence should be there. But this is very, very important and underrated topic. Okay, everyone would take lightly. They take for granted because they know this topic already. But there are very, very minute things which you need to understand. Okay, now, but let me tell you. Okay, let me explain it to you into a beautiful format. Okay, now here what I'll try to do here is I will have arithmetic operators done. So what are the different arithmetic operators, sir? We have plus, we have minus, we have into, we have forward slash, and we have modulus. Now everyone will know everything. Plus, sir, for addition, minus for subtraction, into for multiplication. Divide and modulus is wherein a few people will go wrong. Okay, what is that, sir? Very simple program. When I tell 10 divided by 2, what will be the output? And when I tell 10 mod 2, what will be the output? It's very simple. See, 10 is over here. So now what I do here is I will divide it. See, 10, I'll let it as 2, right? 2 5s are 10 and the remainder is 0. Whenever you make use of modulus, always the output will be 0. Whenever you make use of forward slash, always the quotient will be the output here. Got the clarity, guys? Whenever you talk about forward slash, quotient will be the output. That is fine. Whenever you talk about the modulus, it is always used to fetch the remainder. So this is the difference which we are supposed to understand. Modulus will fetch the remainder and the forward slash will fetch the quotient part. Understood? So this is very, very easy. Don't you think so here? Okay. So we can practically talk about it as well. Okay. Similarly, I will talk about second set of operators as well. And then we'll get back into the execution process. Okay. Okay, sir. Let us do that way only. Okay, now what is the second set of operators, sir? It's very easy, guys. Okay, the second set of operators which you should know is something called as assignment operators. What is it called as? It is called as assignment operators. Okay, now what are the different assignment operators, sir? We have single equals, we have plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, forward slash equal to, and modulus equal to. So these are the different assignment operators we have with respect to Java here. So what is the meaning of it, sir? Can you explain it, sir? 100%. Okay. See here, guys. When I tell int a equals to 10, what does it mean? The value 10 is getting assigned or initialized into a variable called as a. So meaning there is a container. Okay. What is that container name? That container name is a. And what is it storing? It is storing the value called as 10. So single equals is used for assigning. Okay, the value from RHS is getting initialized to my LHS. But now when I tell a equals to a plus 10, what a plus I'll give it as 5. Okay, a plus 5. What do you understand, sir? A value is 10. 10 plus 5 is nothing but 15. That 15 is getting assigned to a. So I am reinitializing the a value to 15. But this statement can also be written as a plus equal to 5 here. So what does it mean? I am adding 5 to a, and then after the sum, that sum I am reinitializing it to a here. A value is 10, 5. 10 plus 5, 15. After adding, I am reinitializing it back to a only. So that is the reason we call it as assignment operator. We perform some task and reinitialize it back to the same variable. Okay, now similarly, I will do one more example. Okay, I will do one more example. Okay, now you have to answer. Okay, now I did one sum, no? You have to answer now. Sir, int x equals to 4. What is my x value? 4. What happened over here? Sir, one container got created, sir. What is that container? X. And it is storing the data called as 4. Now what I do, I will make use of x into equal to 6. Can you tell me what do you mean by that? What will be my x value? Sir, I have to multiply 6 into x, that is 4, and reinitialize it back to x only. So what will be the output? Can you tell me? X equals to x into 6 here. So it's simple, no? 6 into x, what is 6 into 4? 24. 24 is getting assigned to x here. So the output will be 24. That is nothing but 4 into 6. What is 4 into 6? It's 24. The 24 is getting assigned back to x only. Stand. So arithmetic operators are used to perform simple mathematical operations, and assignment operators are nothing but we are performing some mathematical operation and trying to initialize it back to the same variable. Okay, now, and it works the same for the remaining perspectives as well. It works the same here. So let us try to develop a program for it. Okay, let us try to develop a program. Windows R, I open Notepad. Okay, and I will give the class name as operators. Okay, I'll give the class name as what? Operators. Open curly braces, close, and I will have public static void main within parentheses. I will write it as string array of arguments. Open curly braces and close curly braces. Okay, now next here I will tell int a equals to 5. Okay, int a equals to 5. Now I'll take one more variable. Excuse me. Okay, I'll take another variable called as 10. Okay, now when I tell there are two variables a and b, initialized to 5 and 10 respectively. Now when I tell a plus b, what do you understand? I'm adding both the values, 5 plus 10, 15. That 15 I will store it into a variable called as sum, and the data type will become int here. Obviously no, when I tell a plus b, it is nothing but 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 is 15, that 15 is getting stored into sum. So if I'm trying to store a non-decimal numeric value into a variable, obviously the data type has to be int only. So I can print all those values here. Okay, system.out.println, I can print the value. So I can write it as sum colon plus whatever I give it in double quotes will get printed as it is plus sum. What am I trying to do? Concatenation. Whatever I've given in double quotes will get displayed as it is plus sum, meaning I'm trying to concat. Sir, how, sir? Here it is adding, but here it is concatenating, but ultimately plus plus only, no sir. This a and b are both int and int. Int will get added, but now whatever I give it in double quotes is a string. String plus anything, it is concatenation. String plus anything, it is concatenation. Got it? Similarly, I can do it for the remaining things as well. Okay, I can do it for the remaining things as well. Okay, let me try to do all of those. See, now I will write it as one small statement here. Okay, sir, what is that statement, sir? I will tell you. See, I'll write it as a minus 2, and here I'll write it as 4 into b. Okay, I can do it that way also, and I can write those respective data as well. See, 10 divided by 5, what will be the output, and 10 mod 2, what will be the output. So let me save the complete program here so that you will all understand. This is an example for what? This is nothing but demonstration of arithmetic operators. So I can write like this also, arithmetic operators. Okay, I can write it as a comment here. Okay, this is nothing but arithmetic operators. Okay, let me save the operators.java and save as all files. Okay, I'm done. So now for execution purpose, I can open a new command prompt, or I can open the same command prompt. Okay, I can do it wherever I want. I can open the same command prompt or new command prompt. But already the control is in desktop and example, right? So we'll directly tell Java C. What will you tell here? Operators.java. Okay, so when I compile and execute it, I will definitely get the output. See, Java and operators. Okay, I will definitely get the output. Did I get the output? See, if you want, you can compare over here. You'll get the output. See, sum is 15, a minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 into b, that is 4 into 10, 40, 10 by 2, the quotient part 2, 10 more 2, reminder, it is 0. So this is about, okay, the arithmetic operators which we have with respect to Java here. Okay, similarly, I was talking about the remaining part now. What is it? Assignment. Okay, assignment operators. Okay, what are the different assignment operators, sir? We know it, correct? Can we see it into a beautiful program format over here itself? Yes. See here, I will tell int x equals to 10. Okay, int x equals to 10. Now I will print the value of x here. Okay, I will print the value of x over here. Okay, let me print, okay, int x equals to 10, and I will print the value of x here. How will I print it here? See, value of x equal to plus x here. So I'm just trying to concat the data here. So what will be the output? Value of x equal to plus x. It will be printing 10. But later, when I tell x plus equal to 20. So what does it mean internally? X equal to x plus 20. This is the internal meaning of it. Okay, this is the internal meaning of it. So 20 plus 10, x value is 10. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 should get stored into x here. So what will be the value of x here? The value of x will be 30 over here. Okay, if you want to cross check, we can evaluate it and also see it. So I open my command prompt. I will compile my Java program. Okay, the same Java program I'm modifying, right? So I can do it over here. I compile it, I interpret it. Can you see? X value was 10, but later it got improvised to 30. Okay, so this is nothing but, okay, assignment operators. Similarly, I can do it for one more data. See, int I equals to 45. Okay, now I will print the value of I here. Okay, I will print the value of I over here. Now you have to tell me the output. Okay, I minus equal to 13. Okay. Now when I try to print the value of I, what will be the output? You have to tell me, guys. Okay. I am expecting some answer. You have to tell me. What will be the output over here? Can you quickly tell me what will be the output? What will be the output of I? See, I value is 45. So the value of I will be 45 will be printed. When I tell 40 I minus equal to 13. So internally it means 45 minus 13. What is 45 minus 13? It is 32. That 32 will get assigned to my I here. So therefore, what will be the output here? The output will be 32. If you want to cross check, compile it and you will interpret it. Did I get the output? See, value of I is 45. Later it will become 32. So we are trying to subtract 13 from I, 45, and reinitialize it back to the same variable. So this is the working of, okay, arithmetic operators and assignment operators. So I hope you all got the clarity about this entire process here. Clear everyone here? Got the clarity? So we are done with two set of operators.